So I'm here at Brothers Auto Hunt. I'm here to pick up some parts for the SL restoration process. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here. He has really nice cars here. Pretty nice person. Want to say hi to the camera?
Wow.
Yeah, I have like every time I come here, it's always like a police. Like I have this SL. I'm gonna show you a few Porsches. Also have a Bentley here and a 380 SL. That one is in mint condition. Like I swapped that one. I'm like, you know, I'm glad I gotta grab that one, but can't afford that. Good luck. We're explaining that to the wife. So yeah, so the project is actually starting here. And I have Austin here is going to be helping me sorting out the parts. Sorry, the lighting is so it'll be all over the place. Yeah, okay, I have good lighting now. So yeah, we get in the bumpers and the hood and all this other good stuff, just load it in the car and kind of see what I get with all that and start the restoration process that way. And I'll keep you guys updated with what I find here. So basically what we have here, I got some chairs, steering wheel, headlights, lamp, just the whole shebang. Spare steering wheel, grill, more seats and more covers and all that good stuff. I'm not sure what I'm picking up yet, but you know, I brought a big truck. I'll see what I can find and what I can grab. All right, see you in the next one.
So we're here. Say it's Wednesday. We had a little shopping spree done by my man over here in hopes to restore one of his former glory SLs, the 560. Like to be a part of that, so it's nice to be able to help out another enthusiast like myself. Comes out of a passion here, and this whole building, you know, did the work on about 2-3 years ago, and it's been a dream kind of come true in that sense. So it's been a lot of fun working on these and helping people out find parts for it. Not the easiest thing for sure. So it's nice to see when, you know, it comes to fruition and people are able to get these cars restored here for a decent number. But yeah, this is my showroom here. A couple of nice cars sitting. We got a 911 in hopes that I'll find a new buyer for her soon. Should be on Bring a Trailer soon, maybe the next 2-3 months. So this one should be a fun one. It's a nice original 87 Targa G50. Not the turbo, unfortunately, but other than that, she's pretty. Yeah, exactly.
See, guys, it's a little bit over.
Yeah, 38,000. 38,000. Two owner. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, a bunch of other Mercedes stuff that I like. You know, I'm more 80s, 90s era. That's typically where my main focus is. So these R107s, that's kind of the most frequent car that comes through the shop here. As you can see, there's a few of them. You know, you got the older brother, the ugly stepsister. You know, you got the old MG stuck in the corner. That was a tough project. Lost a lot of money on it, unfortunately. Don't like to say that, but no, you got to be honest, and you know that's the truth. That one, it was a learning lesson. You know, the car is made by hand by wood, so you need a goddamn, you know, carpenter to fix it. But little by little, they all get done.
Yo, no, you can't believe what I believe in, bro. Everything.
Yeah, a little 928. Actually, that was the same year and model and the exact that they had Risky Business. So the old Risky Business movie with Tom Cruise, that's the car he drove, that 79 928. So a nice little car, aftermarket rims and exhaust, but other than that, it's pretty original, 80,000 miles. So nothing too crazy, but you know, entry-level enthusiast cars where you can not break the bank and, you know, get into a car and enjoy it. Yeah, and then, you know, you don't need to spend $100 grand on a car. You can spend 10. You can spend 8. You can spend, you know.
Yeah. But on the spot, but do it again.